If there's something that you can do to boost your self-esteem more, I think you just wanna my story niya. It really depends on the content. If it's like provoking something sexual tension, that maybe it's inappropriate, but if it's just a lip sync, then oh yeah, it's okay. Love life siya resting. Nako-confused daw siya kasi nag-tearstrap yung GF niya. But yeah, the more you bawal her, uh, mas nahihina yung self-confidence ng GF mo. So, what you can do is, compliment her. I think. Like, I can burn. Just compliment her that she's pretty. Ganda ng TikTok niya. But, say it in a subtle way. No. But, wag magmasyadong, you know, seductive and all. Mm. Mm-mm. You don't have to away your girlfriend na, huwag kang magganyan-ganyan. Maybe you'll just tell her na, hinaan yung pagiging seductive or like pagiging sexy. You just don't want other guys to see her that side. Maybe you're the problem here. Maybe her intimate side. It's not necessarily intimate if she's not naked, right? Wala naman kayang pinapakitang masama. It's just a lip sync, right? Mm. You should be proud that you have that girl. Like, sa kanya, sa iyo lahat yan, kuya. Parang ganun. Yes, we have that. Aray ko, yung signal. Almost 12, guys. Hi, Sifre. Mm-mm. Maybe I'm just too protective when it comes to her. Can you raise your both arm, please? Drop gift first. Yeah, maybe you have to secure yourself. Na you don't have to worry from that that type of content that she do, because she's all yours, bro. She's all yours. Mm. Hi, Ella. Should I talk to her? Yeah, maybe talk to her. Hi, Resting. Kumusta ang signal? She'll get mad for real. But what will you do if mag-continue ang ganyan? So maybe just talk it out. Communicate. Mm. And why are you even in Bigo in the first place if you have a girlfriend? Log. Aray ko. Mag-rest ka na lang, resting. Rest ang resting. Daily. Mm-mm. Hi, Toxic Ninja. Anong daily? Resting. Hello. Hi, MD.